So I'm going to start by saying that mine is clearly a biased perspective here, having been on both sides of the partnership. As a professor, I see the improvement in student writing. Tutors really do make a difference. Thank you for really making a difference in students' lives.
Hi, I'm Melissa Grossman, a professor of communication here at Wolfson campus, and I just wanted to take the time to say thank you so much to our invaluable tutors for all of the work you've done for our students, especially taking the time to work with them in the online environment, which I know can be very challenging.
My name is Mercedes Medina. I'm professor at the Miami-Dade College Law Center. I teach for the Paralegal Studies program, the Business Department, the Virtual College, and the Honors College. They meet with me and talk to me about how I can improve ways that I teach the material in my course to make sure that my students are doing the best. Thank you, tutors.
Hi, my name is Professor Pamela Williams, and I teach in hospitality. And I'm here to thank all the tutors in the Learning Resource Center and the Computer Center on behalf of my students.
Hi y'all, this is Dr. Murphy from the Kendall campus. I'm a speech professor. We appreciate our tutors in the speech lab. They do a fantastic job working with our students, helping them overcome their anxieties. Students are the better for it, and we appreciate all the hard work our tutors put into helping our students get through this process.
Hey tutors, how you doing? This is Dr. Heredia from English Faculty Kendall campus. Just wanted to give you a shout out and let you know that we're so thankful for all that you do.
Hi tutors, this is Dr. Varela from the English department at the Kendall campus. Just wanted to extend a great thank you for everything that you do for our students.
This is actually my first time here. I've heard great reviews about coming here and professors that help you out and actually go the extra mile so that students can succeed.
Hi, I'm Yvonne Lamazares and I teach writing in the World Languages and Communication area. I teach ENC 1101 and ENC 1102. I recognize that they make all the difference. The tutors are an essential part of the writing process in my courses.
Hi, I'm Melissa Amil. I'm a student from MDC Hialeah campus, and I'm here to let you know that the tutors that we have at the library, they've all been super helpful to me.
Hi, I'm Professor Danzig from the School of Business here at Hialeah. Just wanted to say thank you to our great tutors, Dora and Mary from the School of Business. They've been very helpful over the years.
Hi, I'm Liza Greenberg, and I teach English here at Miami-Dade College, Eduardo J. Padron campus. Having an embedded tutor in the class helps us give students more individual attention. It's really grateful for the embedded tutoring program. Even on days when the tutor doesn't work one-on-one with students, it's great to have them in the class so they're that much more prepared to help students with the assignments because they're in class and hearing what's going on.
My name is Antonio Manaduce and my major is International Relations. Tutoring has benefited me in improving my writing skills, my grammar, my punctuation, and to have my ideas be presented in a better and efficient way. But I think if you come here, you can improve your writing and can be a better student overall.
Alex is the reason I'm passing algebra. He's my go-to tutor and he's just amazing.
Jerry is outstanding. He helped me write amazing essays. He's extremely knowledgeable.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Deborah Robinson. I represent the RN, the BSN program at Benjamin Leon School of Nursing here at Medical Campus. It is my honor to present and to thank our tutors who are our mainstay here at our college.
Rewarding.
Empowering.
Encouraging.
Beneficial.
De-stressing.
Amazing.
Our tutors rock!